Hello guys, I'm back with a new unboxing video. So today we got the BOSCH Impactor GSB 16RE. It comes in very good quality plastic case. As always, you got your informations of the product in the side. You got your heavy duty mark and your guarantee and more informations. When you got a BOSCH original product, you got this code for. Let's open it and see what we have inside. So we have our impact drill. We got also this extended grip. We got our user manual. We have, as always, in BOSCH, adjusting depth. That's it for the box. So, this is our impact drill. We have the BOSCH logo. We have the product model. It's a heavy duty, as I mentioned. It comes with a metal chuck, but it's K. I wish if it was K-less, that would be better. It has a very ergonomic and soft grip. It's very good for long time work, unlike the extended grip, which is a very bad quality. It's full of plastic. I didn't like it, especially the mechanism of the depth. So when you are adjusting it, you have to put it inside and plug on it. It's not a good mechanism. BOSCH have better ones. We have also more information of the product. It's 750 watts. It goes up to 3250 turns per minute. It can take up to 30mm bit. Turning max in concrete 60mm. Made in Malaysia. It fits pretty well in the hand. We got our drilling mode and impact drill mode. The first thing I noticed on the product, it's very small comparing to other impact drill like the Crown, which have the same power, 750 watt. You can see it's it's much smaller. As you see, guys, I'll show you. It's smaller, the BOSCH is smaller. You have this button here also to fix turning on. You have the speed control button and the rotary way, either left way or right way. It's BOSCH always gives up to the left-handed guys to use their products, so you can change it from both sides. Either you are right-handed or left-handed. That's good about BOSCH. So normally we would be trying this impact drills with some wood bits and metal bits, but it can goes really easy with them, so I'm trying some other bits. As I always say, my heavy duty tools. Guys, I'll be trying this drill with my 35mm wood bit and this metal bit. I want to see how much can the drill go on a metal. How much diameter. This bit starts from 4 to 30mm. And the also what I prefer to call the drill breaker, and see how it will perform with it. Let's see. I'm starting with the 35mm wood bit on middle speed. I forget to turn it on the drilling mode. As you see, guys, it goes pretty easy. Secondly, I'm gonna try this also. It's a 90mm also. Let's see how it performs. We are ready to go. I'll be going with just a little speed. Like this one, and let's see. It did it, guys. It goes with a 90mm and it did it very easily. Trust me. And that's what we got. I like how it performs, really. Moving to my final test, I'll be using this metal bit. That test I was expecting from the beginning of my tests. So let's try. I'm going to drill on 3mm thickness metal. I'm gonna put some oil for the drilling and goes with the low speed. As you see now. Let's start. Wow, guys, literally it eats with metal. It really eats the metal. It's a very, very powerful drill. I really like how it performs. With all those tastes, with this bit, I can't tell anything. You have see how it performed. You're gonna decide whether it's good or not. But if I speak, I really recommend this impact drill. It did everything, especially going with this metal bit here. Most drills won't be able to drill with it, with this 90mm also, and my 35mm wood bit. Seriously, guys, if you are thinking going for more power impact drills, I will recommend this little beast here. That was the review of today with the BOSCH GSB 16RE impact drill. It's a little beast. Seriously, guys. It did almost everything, so it will be my tools for the next days. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button. See you next video. Take care.